Hello, and welcome to Portuguese for Beginners. This is Lesson 4 of Course 1, and I'm Filipa, your Portuguese teacher. Before we start, I suggest you to recap our previous lesson. It was all about numbers. Do you remember? Then, come back here for some new vocabulary. Are you back? Great! So, today's lesson will be about colors, or cores, from blue to orange. You will notice that some are neutral, one version fits all purposes, and others have a male and a female version. But it will be easy to catch the difference, and at the end of today's session, you'll be able to assign colors to objects. So we start with azul. Azul. And then we have vermelho. Vermelha. Vermelho. Vermelha. With an O to qualify masculine nouns, and with an A to qualify feminine nouns. Okay, and we have amarelo. Amarelo. Amarela. Amarela. And it's the same. O for masculine, A for feminine. Verde. Verde. Castanho. Castanho. Castanha. Castanha. Roxo. Roxo. Roxa. Roxa. Cor de rosa. Cor de rosa. And in this case, it is also acceptable to just say rosa. Rosa. Preto. Preto. Preta. Preta. Branco. Branco. Branca. Branca. Cinzento. Cinzento. Cinzenta. Cinzenta. And finally, cor de laranja. Cor de laranja. And just like with pink or cor de rosa, here you may just say laranja and everyone will understand. Laranja. Okay, so time for a little practice. Here you see the first 3 letters of each color and the color itself, and you just have to complete it. Okay? Are you ready? So we start with blue. And then we have red, yellow, green, brown, purple, pink, black, white, gray, and finally orange. Okay, let's see how you did. All good? Excellent. If not, you can go back and review all. Repeat the exercise as many times as you want. So, we leave colors behind for a while and we focus on some other vocabulary. Every word will be preceded by the corresponding article, so you know if it's male or female. Please note that the capital letter serves only to highlight the word, nothing more. So we start with mesa. Mesa. And then we have cadeira. Cadeira. Mala. Mala. Mala also works for purse, for example. Livro. Livro. Espelho. Espelho. When you have L and H together, you have the sound L. L. Espelho. And finally, caneta. Caneta. Okay, one more practice for today. Here you just have to fill the spaces with the corresponding color. Are you ready? Notice that you have the exact number of letters as a clue. Okay, let's start. O livro, a mesa, a caneta, a mala, o espelho, a cadeira, and you're finished. Let's check the answers. All correct? Well done. If not, just review this lesson from the beginning. So, we are almost finishing today's session. I would just like to highlight the male and female differences in colors. In the first example, livro is a male word, so it will be vermelho, with an O in the end. And then, both mesa and mala are female words, so both colors end with an A. Preta, amarela. Is this clear? All the rest is neutral. Okay, so let's move to our final review. You know the drill. Just repeat after me. Azul, vermelho, amarelo, verde, castanho, roxo, cor-de-rosa, preto, branco, cinzento, cor de laranja. And you may say only rosa and laranja if you want. Then we have mesa, cadeira, mala, livro, espelho and caneta. Wonderful! It was all for today. Congratulations and see you soon again.